Welcome to a new series of how to rebuild a bungalow, or rather bungalow refurbishment or remodeling, as they would say on the other side of the pond. My daughter has bought a little bungalow, 1-bedroom bungalow, and I'm gonna carry out total refurbishment, including demolition, making it from 1 bedroom into 2 bedrooms, new kitchen, bathroom, plastering, some new walls, removing some walls, taking the chimney down, driveway, the lot. So if you're interested to see the processes involved, please stay tuned, subscribe. If you find it really interesting and would like some other people to see it, please share. Please do share. And just to make sure that you do get a notification of new episodes coming, please hit that subscribe button. If you hover over it, and then make sure that you just highlight little bell for all notifications, and then you're not going to miss it. So in short lines, when you're doing a total refurbishment, one of the first things you do is you remove everything that is not needed. So if you're doing new electrics, new plumbing, you have to remove all that on day one, because when you start doing any demolition works on the walls or ceilings, if you hit an old cable, you don't want to be electrocuted. So remove electrics. If you're not competent, get electrician to do it. In the same time, you get electrician to ask him how much he would charge you for rewiring the place once it's all been shaped up. And believe me, most of electricians would then and there, when they come out to see you, they would actually disconnect your consumer board, your fuse board, and maybe put you 1 or 2 double sockets right next to it, so you have it so you have a power for duration of works. Obviously they will probably charge you for that little bit, but they will do it then and there, so you're going to be sorted, because they want to make sure that you're happy with them, even for whatever price they come back with for first and second fix electrics. They know that there's already some sort of trust and relationship established with you as a customer. So if you can't do electrics, get electrician to disconnect electricity and put you a couple double sockets so you have a power. Same thing with plumbing. If you can't do plumbing, get a plumber around. He will disconnect central heating, drain the system, disconnect water, and leave you one running tap, because you will need the water. And then once you do that, you remove everything what's not needed. So curtain tracks, nails around the walls, like picture hooks, absolutely everything, everything that you're not going to need. Bathroom, if you're going to replace the bathroom, just take it all out. Take the bath out, take the sink out, take the lot, everything. Kitchen, same thing. If you're going to replace the kitchen, just clear it out, make empty rooms. Seriously, empty rooms. All light switches, light fittings, sockets, just remove them. It's much easier to do that on day one. You remove everything, you have a nice clean slate to start. The next step will be you do demolition. Anything that you need to demolish, any opening to form, obviously make sure that you follow the structural side of the building, and if you need to do any propping up and putting some steels or something, please consult structural engineer, to do some calculations, tell you what size beams you need to put in. Obviously, any structural work you'll need to notify your local authority, building regulation officers, that you're doing works. You'll probably have to pay some small fee. But if you don't do any heavy structural stuff, if you're just removing of partition walls, then you don't need to notify anyone. You can just do it yourself. But you have to make sure that they're just partition walls, not load-bearing walls. Next thing would be After you remove everything that needs to be removed, then start forming new layout. If you need to put some new walls up, put the walls up, and simple as that. Once all what needs to be formed as a walls or ceilings or whatever, all framework is done, then it comes as a first fix, electrics and plumbing, all new cabling need to be routed in, all new pipes. Once that is done, then going all the plasterboarding, plastering, and then we can start talking about second fix carpentry, tiling, bathroom fitting, kitchen fitting, floor finishes, decorating, and so on. So that is pretty much rule of thumb process of how you're going to do it. So remove everything that's not necessary, number 1. Demolition, number 2. Build everything needs to be built, number 3. And then once it's built, you go number 4, first fix electrics and plumbing, number 6, plasterboarding, plastering, number 7, second fix carpentry, and bathroom fitting, kitchen fitting, and rest. There you go. Another little tip, if you're going to do a driveway, then it's good to do that on early stage, because all rubble that you get from any walls that you're going to remove or anything can go as a rubble hardcore for a base of the driveway, so you don't have to pay for skip to get rid of the rubble. Okay, so please stay tuned. I know this might be a bit long-winded, my little talk, but yeah, videos are coming. I'm not going to talk a lot in the videos. You will see. So please stay tuned and enjoy. Thanks.